In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in on Zoho people. We'll walk through the simplest, quickest way to check in using the web portal so you can log your time accurately without clicking around or getting lost in the interface. Even if you're new to Zoho people, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho people login page. Sign in with your work credentials, just like you normally would for any of your company tools. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be redirected through that process, which is completely normal. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll be taken into the main Zoho people environment. After you've logged in, make sure you're on the home page. In most cases, Zoho people will open to home by default, but if you've been navigating around or it looks unfamiliar, look for the home option in the main navigation bar and click it. The home page is your personal dashboard where you'll see key information such as announcements, upcoming events, and your own profile section. On this home screen, look for your profile area, usually found near the top of the page. You should see your profile picture or company avatar, along with your name and basic information. This is the area where Zoho people places the time and attendance controls, so it's the best place to start when you're ready to check in. Right next to your profile details, you'll see a green check-in button. This is the main control you'll use to start your workday in Zoho people. Take a moment to confirm that it actually says check-in and not check-out. If it shows check-out, that means you're already checked in, and clicking it again would end your session, which you don't want at the beginning of your day. Once you've confirmed it says check-in, go ahead and click the green button. After you click, the system will register your start time for the day. You may notice the button changing to checkout or see a small confirmation message or timestamp showing the exact time you checked in. That's your indication that the action worked correctly. At this point, you're successfully checked in on Zoho people. As a quick tip, get into the habit of doing this as soon as you begin your workday so your attendance records stay accurate and consistent.